it's You love this trip? So clean and so nice. Mommy Gabi. You been? Jumping, the whole argument starts here. You know what I mean? I don't know why people are like that. I just never understood. So that's why I'm not really bothered even. If you're gonna be spending a lot of times outside, try to wear as little as possible.
And you want to be in
Where with the traffic shit show and the price of everything surging by like at least 50%. Your name. Last time. Andrea, welcome back, Andrea. Good to see you. Beautiful tree. 7 a.m. bro. I got here because I have to pick up a car at the airport at 10 a.m. So now I'm walking back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's only good for the smell of coffee. It smells amazing. Thank you. Appreciate you. Don't wake me up. But I will let them know. I will let Harris know that you'll be here as soon as you get the chance of you staying there. You have like 90% more chance to ending up at the old. Ed Sheeran is coming to Vegas. So at the Allegiant Stadium, they're advertising Ed Sheeran concert at the Allegiant Stadium. Wow, I'm about to melt, guys. Melt. Ready to melt any minute now. Yeah, we are definitely gonna stay on this side. I was gonna cross to the other side for a chance to skip. I'm like a bird. How about this one? Is that better? Oh! Argentina, no Argentina today. We are not talking to Argentina until Sunday. We're gonna talk to Argentina only after the Spain game. Hopefully the Spain stops Argentina, then we can talk. Yeah. I'm like a bird. I'm like a bird. I'm sorry. So many temperature questions. Interesting. I have one phone, guys, that I'm live streaming with. Another phone. That is my old iPhone 12 Pro Max. Doesn't have a data. Use it on an iPad to play music. It's not connected. So to tell you the time, the temperature, I have to shut off my live stream to Google the temp. Or you can just Google the temperature in Vegas. Be much easier. The worst thing in the world, bro. Man, they defeated England fair and square. They have gotten so many help in previous games. They've gotten so many help, don't get me wrong. The referee, FIFA, everybody is like just rigging the entire shit for Argentina. But they beat England fair and square. You can't say nothing about that game. The coach of England defeated England. See, Argentina, they are everywhere, bro. They are everywhere. I do not want to see Argentina jersey. I don't. Bro, they are talented. Yes, FIFA helped them for sure. Referees helped them in the previous games. But you cannot say anything about this game though. They were down 1-0 all the way until like 72nd minute. And then the England coach is like, he told all of the 11 players to just go stand in the penalty box and just play defense for the next 30 minutes. And guess what? Argentina welcomed the opportunity. And they started doing a target practice. Like a bunch of shots landing at the crossbar, on the pole, everywhere, bro. Holy shit, they are like, England is lucky that they didn't end up, Argentina didn't end up scoring like 5 or 6 goals. From the way how they just gave up the game at the 70th minute, they could have really like have 6-0 or 4-0. I would not be surprised. So yeah, the coach, bro, I feel terrible for England, bro, because finally the team has the country has good team. But sorry, I'm reading a message, man. Hey, this guy's messaging me, bro. Holy shit. He's supposed to return at 10 a.m. So he's not gonna be back until 11. And I have another rental, another person picking it up at 1 p.m. God damn. Are you guys sure this thing is still not lagging? Every time when I move the camera, it's like literally the whole image is like you can see like dragging across the screen. Not lagging? All right, thank you. I'm like a bird. Nikki, good morning. If you're just joining right now, we are literally done. I was live since 6-ish, something like that, 6:30. Now I'm going straight back to my car. But we're going live on Fremont Street tonight though, Nikki. We're going live on Fremont Street tonight. Your favorite place. What the hell is going on with this school bus? Yeah, somebody's converting into something. I'm like, what the hell? Ain't no way there's a students inside. They're converting into some kind of night crawl, kind of party bus, something like that. It's a home bus. Oh shit, it's already converted. It looks like it needs a lot of work. So many moving parts there. Looks like it's still under construction. Yep. Fashion show mall. All of this is actually fashion show mall. We are basically gonna go around it. So you're gonna see a lot of fashion show mall. entrance. Let's go inside the mall, bro. Cause my thing got delayed. This guy's supposed to bring the car back at 10 p.m. He says he's gonna be back. Entrance. Mall entrance, mall entrance, mall entrance. And then say fire department, fire department. Is it open? The fuck? Capital One. Capital One Bank? There's no bank on the strip. They don't want any banks on the strip. What the fuck? Somebody smoked in here, bro. Why did I come in here? This says the mall entrance. And now I think I might